Yes, hello and welcome to my channel. But don't forget, if you don't want to miss a video. Yes, I would like to remove the air filter box from a Golf 15. And that's actually very simple. I'll show you now. Yes, why do you actually want to remove the air filter box? At the latest, when you have broken a light bulb, your system reports a broken light bulb, you will notice that you cannot get in there with your hand. Therefore, expand and yes. First of all, we simply loosen the screw here between the intake pipe, and then we take a pair of pliers, press the clamp together here, and then we can detach the intake pipe from the air filter box wonderfully and put it aside down there by the blue cable. That looks like a screw. The box is simply in there with a piece of rubber, and you can simply pull it up. Can you lift it out? On the left side there is something like that down, and just pull it vertically upwards and you have it in your hand. And that's exactly where it was fixed. Now you can easily get to the lamp and change the light bulbs. Yes, if you liked it, thumbs up. But don't forget and write in the comments if you want to know anything else. And with that I say goodbye. See you next time. Bye.